Hi guys, Chef Donna's here. I'm a personal chef, cooking instructor, and a recipe developer, and I love creating budget-friendly, healthy, and delicious meals. So today we're going to make another budget-friendly and easy recipe, and it will be soup. So I love lentil soup, and my kids love lentil soups. It's really easy, and there are a few basic, simple ingredients. Lentils, of course, potatoes, celery, carrots, and some fresh herbs and garlic. Those simple ingredients give a nice flavor to our soup. And one of the key ingredients for making the delicious soups and stews is this little leaf. This is bay leaf, and I love using it in soups and stews because it gives wonderful flavor to any dish you put in. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, I have 1 cup lentils, dried lentils, and I'm going to add about 3 cups water. I'm gonna add more, 4 cups water. I never measured those things because I usually eyeball those things. And so I added 1 cup lentils and 4 cups water. And I'm going to turn the heat on high and put the lid on. Oh, I don't want to forget my bay leaf. You can put the bay leaf right in the beginning. So just let it boil and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are partially cooked. So meanwhile, you can chop your vegetables. So we're going to do a little bit of chopping here. So I already peeled my 2 potatoes. I have red potatoes here, but you can use golden potatoes if you want. This is a peeler. I'm sure you've seen in your mother's kitchen. And it's a really great tool and very easy to use. So you don't have to actually peel the potatoes. If you like skin on, you can just, cut roughly and use with the skin off. But I like to peel them. It's really easy, not a big deal. And just cut them into ½ inch size pieces, right? So they kind of cook faster, right? We can do, let me just move this here. Like this size. I think that'll be good. Bite-sized pieces. That'll be perfect. You can do bigger pieces. It's up to you. But I think that's a good size. So I'm going to cut all the potatoes and I'll be right back. I will need another 10 minutes, so that will be a good time to add our vegetables. I'm adding carrots, celery, and potatoes. Oops. And we have to turn the heat up, let it boil, and then we can turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil because we need some fat in there. Alright, let's cook for another 10 minutes. Alright, so our soup is cooking for about 15 minutes for just lentils, and then we added potatoes, carrots, and celery, and it's been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. It should be ready by now. I am going to add 1 garlic clove that I chopped roughly, and about 3 tablespoons of parsley. You can add as much as you want. If you like cilantro, you can add cilantro. So that gives an additional flavor. And I am going to add a little bit of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. All right. That already smells fantastic. The garlic and parsley gives really nice flavor to this dish. So I'm just gonna let it cook for another minute and then turn the heat off. And your soup is ready under 30 minutes. For more recipes, you can check out my website, georgiancook.com. And if you have any questions or requests, feel free to write a comment down below and I will be happy to help. Thank you.